everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. In today's video, we will discuss about stochastic matrix. Stochastic matrix is a square matrix and each element in it will represent a probability. It is also having different names like probability matrix, transition matrix, substitution matrix and Markov matrix. It is widely used in probability theory, linear algebra, statistics, etc. There are different types of stochastic matrices. They are right stochastic matrix, left stochastic matrix and doubly stochastic matrix. First, let us see right stochastic matrix. Consider a real square matrix like this. This is a 5 by 5 matrix. Here each row sums to 1. Consider the first row. In this first row, if you add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, you will get the sum 1. Now consider the third row. Here if you add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, you will get the sum equal to 1. Likewise, when you add all the elements in a particular row, you will get the sum 1. Such a matrix is called a right stochastic matrix. Now let us see left stochastic matrix. Consider a real square matrix like this. Here each column sums to 1. Consider the first column. Here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. If you consider the second column, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. If you consider the fifth column, 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Likewise, when you add all the elements in a particular column, you will get the sum 1. Such a matrix is called a left stochastic matrix. The last one is doubly stochastic matrix. Consider a real square matrix like this. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. Here if you add the elements in any row and any column, you will get the sum 1. In the first column, if you add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. In the first row, if you add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, the sum is equal to 1. In the third column, if you add 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 0, you will get the sum equal to 1. So, if every row and every column sums to 1, such a matrix is called a doubly stochastic matrix. So, these are different types of stochastic matrices. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.